Tonight I'm an alley cat, yeah. More afraid of you than you are of me. But if you leave some food out on the porch, I might stay till there's nothing left to eat. I'd be sitting alone in a lunchroom in high school if I wasn't sitting alone at a punk show in Melbourne. Oh yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Tonight the upper left-hand side of my chest has a hole as big as the one in my pocket. I might have kissed you wearing a bulletproof vest, but hell, you kiss like a rocket. I'd be a teenage virgin, jerking off in my bedroom. If I wasn't a 20-year-old virgin that didn't have a bedroom. Hey, 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 hey. Thank you. Ask me for it next. I have CDs if you want.